Hello friends, welcome to the channel Information Savvy. In this video I am going to explain how to use Canva for free. As you can see here, this, this Batman doodle, this is such a cool and beautiful, but you can't use it for free. You have to pay for Canva to use it. But in this video I am going to use how to remove this Canva part using clone feature in other website. I'll show you how to use clone feature in Photo website. This is the Photo is such a cool photo editor website which allow us to use cloning feature for free. We can do it in Photoshop also, but Photoshop is not free. So we will go to Photo website and I'm going to demonstrate how to use clone feature and remove this Canva part. Okay, let's go. We will search for photo cloning. We will go to that remove unwanted. This is such a cool website, other alternative for Photoshop, but in this website we can get many features for free. Okay, now I'm going to explain what is clone effect. Clone feature clones the part we want, and after cloning that part, this feature also helps us to paste that clone part wherever we want. This is such a cool feature which we can use this for removing unnecessary objects in the image, which we, we, we will for example, sometimes we will take such a cool photo, but someone some objects will give us an annoying when seeing that image, so we can use this feature for removing unnecessary objects. Okay, let's get inside. Okay, this is the home page of the photo website. We will import the image we want to see. I have downloaded this poster before doing this video. So before to get this image into your laptop, you have to download using this. This is pro. This poster is only for subscription payers, so we can take a screenshot or download free, but we will get Canva like this. So we will remove this part. Okay, see, after coming to this home page, we will tap beauty, and this beauty we will tap clone, and we will use this clone feature to remove this Canva part. We will increase brush intensity to 100, brush size to 0, and apply. See, we can remove any object. I'm just demonstrating very easy. I'm not that much skilled, so I'm showing easy example. You can use, if you are skilled, you can use it for free. This photo website is for free. You can use this feature for free, but in Photoshop we can't get it for free. That's it. See, removed. Thanks for watching.